Welcome students. Today we're going to learn advanced Python programming, which is your practical number 1. Why are we learning this? Because real data is often messy. Each step will help us to check, clean and prepare data before analysis so that the results are accurate. So first let's go through the theory part. What is Pandas? Pandas is a Python library used to store, organize and analyze data easily, just like working with the tables in Excel, but through coding. See, this is your question. To perform this code, you will need to install Pandas on your laptop or PC. Since Pandas is already installed on my laptop, I'll directly demonstrate the code after installing the step. So you can see this image. Firstly, install this software, then search in the Windows bar, click open. This will come. Click on the file tab, then click new file. Now, talking about the coding, the very first part is import pandas has PD. Import, which means we are importing the pandas library and giving it a short name PD so you can use it easily in your code. You will have to also create a sample data file in Excel and save it as data.csv. I'll show you the sample data. This is the sample data which has ID, name, marks, city and age. df is equal to pd.read underscore csv data.csv. It is going to read the file name data.csv and load into the contents into a data frame where we call as df. Next, print first 5 rows, which is the text going to print as it is as a label. Print df.head and this is open close, which is going to display the first 5 rows of the data frame. You quickly see what the data looks like. So if you have 10 data from the given data, the first 5 going to display it. Next, print /n missing values, which is going to print the missing text value, and /n adds a blank line before the text. Print df is null, parenthesis open close, dot sum, parenthesis open close the bracket. This is going to check for missing values in each column. I'm going to print how many are found in each one. So if you see in the given data, we can find Arjun doesn't have mark and Aman doesn't have age. So from the given data, it's going to check how many missing data are being there and how much it is being found. So the record will be displayed on your output. df is equal to df.drop now, which is going to remove all the rows containing missing values and update the data frame. Next one is df is equal to df.drop underscore duplicate. This is going to remove all the duplicate rows from the data frame so that only unique data will remain. Next, print /n clean data. Again, this is a text will be printed in the output. Print df, which is going to display the final clean data frame after removing missing and duplicate rows. So finally, make sure to save your file. Then click on the run tab, choose run module, and this will be your output. So in the output, you can see the first 5 rows from the given data, what all things have been missing. It is displaying under marks and age. And after removing all the missing and duplicate values, the clean data has been